Well, we survived 491 miles of racing, 12 hours and I think it was like 17 minutes or so was our overall time in the enduro. And everything worked fine, zero hiccups. The only thing that happened was the front diff decided about, I don't know, a third of the way through that it didn't want to play anymore. So stock Can-Am Smart Lock diff is only good for 7,913 miles. That's pretty good. Haven't exactly been nice to it, but otherwise coolant temp was awesome. Highest temp I ever saw on like the stock gauge cluster was 2 bars. Most of the time it was hovering around 1 bar. Previous race, before we did the oil cooler and all that stuff, previous race it was like 5 bars. Oil temp never got that warm at all and stuff. Everything stayed perfectly in check. 0 leaks. I mean, besides the front diff, you know, shit in the bed. That got so bad that it ended up vibrating the floor like crazy even. So I don't know, we'll tear it apart and we'll see what's going on in there. Ended up finishing in the pitch black at night. Baja Designs, you know, light bar definitely came through there. But otherwise, all is well. So looking forward to the next one, that's for sure. Next one should be in October, and should be able to have 4-wheel drive by then. So, all right, I'm gonna finish unpacking and start washing.